Hi everyone, it's Asaf from Maisel Homes and it's my absolute pleasure to present One Falaise Road in Scarborough. It's a brand new build, so it's not going to be on MLS. Stay tuned and I'll show you all the details, the prices and all the amenities that are available within this beautiful condominium.
Welcome to One Falaise Road in Scarborough. This unit is for lease. Features 1 bedroom plus den, upgraded kitchen, appliances and floors. This unit comes with 2 lockers, 1 underground parking, a lot of natural light and very close to all amenities. Available for immediate possession. Please contact me for any questions at your convenience. Thank you.